Welcome to this short morning yoga practice to ease into your day. We're starting in staff pose. Roll your shoulders back and down and lift through your spine. We're doing a hip mobility drill. So just rotate through your femur bones here, through the top of your leg bones, creating some mobility in your hips. And then point and flex from your ankles. So draw your ankles back and forward, your heels. And then re-lifting through your spine, rotate through your neck. Maybe create ease in our bodies so we can have ease in our minds and ease in our hearts throughout our day. Okay, let's do that whole thing again. So rotate from the top of your leg bones, creating mobility in your hips. And then heels back and forward. And then rotate through your neck, chin to chest. Maybe create ease in our bodies so that we have ease in our minds and ease in our hearts as we move through our day. Okay, if you're sitting on a blanket, you're going to take it away. And you're going to take your arms out in front of you, roll down through your spine. Take your arms overhead, arc them down and around. Bend your knees. Take your hands behind your knees. Tuck your chin. You can rock yourself up. Come up onto all fours. We're going to do mermaid tail. So you're going to look down at your mermaid tail, take it to the left. And then look down at your mermaid tail as you take it to the right. This is a nice stretch through your low back. So may I have ease in my body, translates to ease in my heart and ease in my mind as I move through my day. And then you'll take your right knee through. Your hands are going to be on the inside of your right foot. And you're going to do some cat-cow movement here. Great for releasing your thoracic spine. If it's available to you, in between you're going to tuck your toes under, sit back on your toes, on your heels, so you're opening up the necks of your toes. And then we'll go to the other side. So you'll take your left foot forward and your hands are on the inside of your left foot, and we'll do that same cat-cow here. So you're getting some thoracic movement through your spine here. Moving your thoracic spine again, exhaling, rounding, inhale, extend. So when we create ease in our body, we create ease in our mind and ease in our hearts. And if it's available, you'll tuck your toes under, sit back on your heels for toe stand. So from here, we're going to step the right foot forward again. You'll bring the blocks on either side of the right foot. Keep the left toes tucked under. You're going to inhale here. Exhale, and you're going to straighten both legs. So inhale, bend. Exhale and straighten both legs. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten both legs. Inhale, bend. And exhale, straighten both legs. Now from here, you're going to stand on your front right foot, come up, and bring your left knee up. Okay, with your knee in your chest here, you're going to take it around behind you now for dancer pose. So your knee is going to point straight down, open up the front of your hip, bring your right arm forward, and open your heel up behind you for dancer pose. May I have ease in my body. May I have ease in my mind. May I have ease in my heart as I move into my day. Okay, so we're going to release this pose down. You're going to fold forward, hands on either side of your block. This time you'll step your right foot back, you'll bend, and then you'll exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten and hold. Feel your front left foot. You're going to come up onto that front left foot, bring your right knee up. And then you're going to take your right knee behind with your right knee pointing straight down to prepare for dancer pose. Left arm comes straight up, and then take your right heel away from your body for dancer pose. May I have ease in my body. May I have ease in my mind. May I have ease in my heart as I move into my day. Lower your right foot down. Inhale, take your arms overhead. And bring your hands to your heart center. May I have ease in my mind. May I have ease in my heart. May I have ease in my body as I move into my day.